Trademark becomes yours when you're the first to use it in commerce. However, I'm confused as to what this means. They're saying that first use in commerce is when a mark is used between states or foreign countries. It also states that first use anywhere is when it was used anywhere, including locally. Help us out.
All right. So this, in my opinion, is almost a distinction without a difference. So they are correct. In the application form at the USPTO, you are required to fill out 2 separate dates of first use. First use anywhere, and then first use for interstate commerce purposes.
Okay.
By and large, they're the same date in my mind. I don't see any difference or benefit to having 2 separate dates, other than just causing confusion at the USPTO and during litigation. So your first use date is when you offered the product or service for sale in the United States or internationally, for that matter. Yes, you could have, a sale or an offer for sale that does not constitute interstate commerce, but by and large, in 2024, if you're offering for something for sale online, which 99% of clients are, then that is interstate commerce. So they're essentially the same date. USPTO doesn't care when you first used the trademark; they care about when you used it in interstate commerce.
Okay.
Now you can have a lemonade stand on the side of an interstate, and that would be interstate commerce. Whereas maybe if it's on your neighborhood road, maybe it's not interstate commerce, right?
Right.
But then if you put up a website advertising for the lemonade stand, it becomes interstate commerce.
Okay, there you go. You answered it. You got it. So small restaurant that you don't have a website at all. Maybe you've got a local use. A first
maybe you got a local use if you're far enough away from a road, right? And you don't do any digital advertising. Maybe that doesn't constitute interstate commerce. But I gotta tell you, in like the 13 years I've been doing this, I can't think of anyone who didn't have some proof of interstate commerce, right? Who was actively selling a product or service.
So you see, almost always those dates are the same.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome.
Yep.